Newcastle Museum, mga paps. Excited to go to the museum? Wati Dual Makurugu.
What's what type? Okay, I don't know how to say that.
So traditional canoe siya. Yung boat. Yan, pinapakita kung paano siya ginagawa, mga paps. Kuyong.
What are they doing? Still what? Chewing on it. I don't know how to say that.
You can't read?
Yeah, because it's the kuwi yon.
Ooh.
What?
Oh. Ah, furnace.
What is this?
I think it's a furnace.
No, is a first food.
That's where they make, they melt the steel.
That's where they make food. That's where they make food.
Ah, coal. Ito kasi yung
That's where they
business.
make.
Para siyang simulation or ano ng old ano dito. Kasi di ba coal town to? Coal and steel yung product nila. Basic oxygen steel making. So eto ay isang fire extinguisher yan. Ayan, cool mga paps, no? Ito talagang history. Actually, ito rin yung pinunta ko dito eh. Coal. Yan.
It was, of course, and it still is, a dangerous business.
Steel works. Ano to? Blast furnace. Model. Parang nireplicate nila yung ano mga puffs. Yung coal factory. Dati, nagtrabaho naman ako sa casting shop. So, may idea ako. May mga ladle sila. X-ray analysis. Ito yata yung ano, spectrochemical analysis. So parang ganito yung time card. Ayos. So ito yung gamit ng mga paps dati. Oh. Siyempre ito, yan. Ano yan? Fireproof leather pa yata gawa yan eh. Yan eh. Insulation. Nice. PHP. Laki naman ito. Ano yung bomba? Iron ships. Sample yata to ng CR mga paps, no? Men's. May naliligo. So yun mga paps, no? May mga shackle dito. Alarm. At itong mga malalaki na to, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, caliper to. Hindi pala caliper. Micrometer. Pagsusukat yan yata sa casting eh. May ginagawa ka rin kami dati niyan. Ito is nakalimutan ko yung tawag. Pero yung pagsusukat naman yan sa circle. Dito sa kabila is gamit pa rin nila. astig. Parang sinisimulate nila yung itsura ng isang coal and steel manufacturing plant. Tignan nga natin dito yung coal, hindi ko ata napuntahan to eh. Plate machine. Yan. Plate machine. Ito yata coal. Buti hindi namin nalagpasan yan. Ang coal processing. Mining ng coal. So ito naman yung mga old gamit ng mga miners, mga paps. So, pickaxe, drill bit, hard hat na may light. Of course, mga iba't ibang light, iba't ibang era ng lights. Tubig yata to, canisters, saka firefighting. Ano ba yan? Breathing apparatus pala. Ito yata is parang conveyor system. So ito yung parang malaking crane na nagdidig para sa coal. Nakikita ko na to sa Extreme Machine sa Discovery Channel. So yun mga paps, medyo nakaka-relate lang ako ng konti kasi nga yung OJT ko is coal. Casting. So ng steel. So medyo mas maliit nga lang yun. Sobrang liit compared dito, pero galing. Laki ng ladle, oh. As in, sobrang laki. Tapos, kung di ako nagkakamali, temperature at saka pressure ang pinapakita niyang parang relo na yan. Tignan natin, mga. Ito naman, mga paps, ay yung mga replica ng old stations dito. May malaking dito, pipe organ. Sa Pinas, merong bamboo organ. Ito naman is steel kasi syempre, yun yung nila eh. Yun yung product nila. May malaking painting dito showing yung blue collar na history ng Newcastle. Tapos dito naman ay may mga model ng ships including ito. Bala. Ito yung mga locomotive nila, yung mga tools. Yan is sapatos ng kabayo. Parang iron na to. Yun, fish belly drill. Ano pala to? Rail. Bagon ng tren. Travel by train. Yan yung tren dati. Ito ay steam locomotive, Newcastle. Ito ay yung sample ng tren nila. 1870 at yan yung mag-ina ko. Ganda, no? Oh, we can go enter the link gallery. Go inside. Oh. Meron silang ganito, parang interactive na play something.
Was right?
Yeah.
Why?
So meron silang mga scientific projects siguro, displays. Hindi ko alam mga to eh. Ferro liquid. This working? Remove your hand. You follow. And the other one? No. There you go. Okay, remove your hand. Oh, it goes down.
Why?
You remove your hand again. What is this? Nothing? It goes up again. Maraming ganyan sa mall. Lalagyan mo ng coin. Gulat ang asawa ko. Generator. Ayan o. May charge, may voltahe. Cool din to mga paps, oh. magnets. Ay, repulsive magnet. So, magkaiba siguro yung pole nila, kaya hindi sila mag-attract. Magkapareho pala. May globe, oh. Umiikot pala yan. Cool. Laki ng globe.
That's one and more.
Bandy clock. Fossilized backbone.
It's not real. It's not real. I'm not filming it. It's really not real.
Merriweather number 1. Parang JDM number 1. Ocean
He's
bath
gonna eat the pager.
are the largest ocean baths in New South
The
Wales.
pager shark is gonna eat the pager. The pager is gonna.
Stones, axes, and hammer.
I wanna go.
What's this, lady?
That's the planet Earth. And that's the planet Earth of Mars. The monkey's fighting right one. And he's screaming. He's like, I don't want to do this ride.
Yan.
Shut up.
Yan yung future vlogger namin. It's good. Okay, go.
What the heck is happening with these guys? What is happening with these monkeys?
Disaster strikes.
So crazy. Or for pooping. I think you say yes. I said how the spirit said help me. Stuck in my ear.
Mga gamit. Careful, ha? Don't lean on something. You might... Don't lean on the glasses. You might break them, okay? Just look at them. Oh, there's so many milk.
No, that's poop milk. That's poop milk. Because if you drink it, you get speed. I mean, if you drink it, you will poop. Okay, please.
Other side, baby. Here, Jordan.
How about the other one? That's Jolo.
That's Jolo.
He's picking his nose.
No, that's you. You're doing like kind of
Tram. Ang ganda. No? Pensyonado. Hindi pa tapos sa pag-aaral, pensyonado na. Mga paps, naikot natin yung Newcastle Museum at nakakapagod din kahit medyo hindi siya ganun kalakihan. Pero maganda yung nasa loob, yung history ng Newcastle, yung pinanggalingan kumbaga ng industry, yung coal at saka steel. Then yung rail station at saka mga konting history dito. Yan mga paps, see you next vlog.